Here I got Roxy tied to the post of the patio to make sure that she cannot actually jump on me. I'm also, trying to, here I'm close enough to her, but later I'm trying to stay away or back a little bit so that she's not having success actually when she's jumping up to put her paws on me. So here I just pretended I dropped a piece of food, starting with a different kind of impulse control for her to see if she would try to get the piece of food when some kibble or a treat or whatever something is falling down. And this is something we played a couple times already, but not often yet, and she still has to learn that. Here I tried to tease her with a toy, and she's realizing, oh, I'm tied to something. I cannot move and run the way I want to, so she's just a little bit irritated by that, but really has a hard time keeping her paws on the ground. I'm teasing her with a squeaker toy. She had the paws down now, did not try to jump, so she's getting the toy. And she's getting used to, how nicely she stepped over the leash. It's amazing. She's getting used to that being a game and that she's tied to it, and it's not going to be a problem anymore. And after a while, when she's doing great with that, we would advance it to her being off leash anyway. But for now, this is how we're going to play this game. And now here I have a rope for her to tug and play with that. And I'm teasing her with it, and I told her to get it. It's not that she's just getting it because she wants it or so. I told her to get it, so it's completely fine. I started the game. I'm animating her to play, but she's only getting the toy when she's not jumping in the air, jumping high up to try to get it. So, and it's the first time I really did it like that with her. So we will still try to work that up and improve it the way in the direction we needed. We needed to go. Here she's jumping up, so I move the toy away and I actually step back and stand back. So she had the paws down now, even though she was excited, and she got the toy. So I'm trying to toss the toy to her, or give her a chance to get the toy that should be level or the same height like her head. So it should not be higher than her head. Sometimes you will be seeing the way I tossed it was not all that great, so she was actually raising the paws a little bit in order to get it, but she was not really jumping up. So yeah, like now she was good, so I'm going to give it to her, and when she's trying to catch it, she's raising the paws a little bit. I will need to see if that if I really need to make sure the paws are on the ground, then I will need to toss it a little bit lower and closer to the ground, but we will need to see. Maybe that's already enough for her to learn to not jump up, like really jump up, and not just do the, her little wiggle dance. I got the second rope because I don't want her to have fun with the rope that she got, and since she was a good, I let her get it as a reward. So I'm trying again. She did not jump up, so I gave her the toy, but I have to see, as you can see, she jumped up a little bit when I allowed her to get it. So like now I tossed it much better, so that was much better. So this is all something, you have to work on the mechanics, on the way you do it. And I still need to figure out with my dogs, I just directly step to them and they can get the toy. But since she's so big, I was just a little bit careful, a little bit cautious with that. But we were probably able to work that up during a couple more sessions. Jumped up, so I'm teasing her again just to make her know. Here she noticed, okay, jumping up is not getting her what she wants.